Okay. Efco 962. This was a saw that was running. I got it for $85. Figured why not play with one. It did have carbon scoring on the skirt of the piston. There's a little bit of a deeper mark on a few spots, but I did sand that off. Nothing's protruding. I'm just gonna run it. Cleaned off the top of the piston. The rings were clean. Gonna reuse them. Cylinder. All right, so it looks like I probably did more than what I actually did, but if you can kind of see on the top of the lower where the original port size was, so I probably dropped them 1/8 of an inch to blend smoother from the bottom, transitioning in. I'll try and that doesn't help much. Just got them slightly roughed up. Let's see if I can jockey this one around. So just massage the bottoms so they're wider, but at the same time I did open up the windows on the piston a little bit. Intake, roughed it up, added to the top, lowered it just a hair, a little bit wider. Can't do much for going wider because the side of the jug is pretty thin. Exhaust, I raised just a little bit. Did not go wider. Just made sure it transitioned nice from what I adjusted. So I believe I'm at 101 degrees on the exhaust, 75 on the intake, and the transfers I believe were 120, 121 roughly. So I'll get her back together and see what she does. Should be a decent little work saw. The exhaust, factory exhaust, baffled. I'm gonna drill a couple extra holes in there or get that baffle broke out a bit. And then that gets covered. That's just an access hole to bolt it on. There's the factory outlet. I will put a nice pipe outlet out the front here and she'll be pretty free flowing.